In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove team members from your Asana organization. Whether you're managing a project and need to tidy up your team list, or simply looking to streamline your team's efficiency, knowing how to remove members is a handy skill. So, let's get started on this journey to a more organized workspace. First things first, open your Asana application and ensure you're logged into the account linked to the organization in question. This step is crucial because the ability to manage team members is tied to your administrative permissions within the specific organization. Once you're in, navigate to the sidebar on the left. Here, you'll see an option labeled Teams. Click on it to open the list of available teams within your organization. Dive into the team from which you need to remove a member. Now, within the team's main page, locate the Members tab. This is usually found at the top and gives you a comprehensive view of everyone involved in the team. It's a good habit to double-check this list, ensuring that you're targeting the correct individual. Spot the person you wish to remove, and next to their name, you should find a small icon or button, often a three-dot menu or similar. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu presenting you with various options related to the team member in question. In this menu, you should see the option to remove them from the team. Select this option, and a confirmation dialog will likely appear. Asana wants to make sure this isn't an accidental click, so they prompt you to confirm your choice, ensuring no mistakes are made in the process. Double-check the details once again and click Remove to finalize the action. At this point, it's wise to refresh your page or check back in your team's member list to confirm the changes have been applied effectively. Seeing the amended list offers reassurance that your task was executed correctly and the desired individual is no longer part of the team frame. Before we wrap things up, it's important to know that removing a team member doesn't block them from future participation. They may still have access to Asana, but will no longer see or interact with the contents of this particular team unless re-invited. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your team members and keep your Asana organization streamlined and focused. We hope this guide has been helpful in making your project management experience smoother. If you've got any questions or need further assistance, be sure to check out the other resources Asana provides or reach out to support. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.